I'm Holly, and welcome to the Giles Frontier. This is Grant.
Hi.
And today we are going to make apple nachos for you. It's one of our favorite snacks that we like to make in the fall time when apples come into season. And what are the apples that we're going to use today, Grant?
Honeycrisp.
Honeycrisp. We found these a few years ago in our grocery store. Somebody was in there shopping with us and it said, "Have you tried the Honeycrisp apples?" And we hadn't. Now generally they're really expensive, so we wait till there's a great sale. But that's what we love to use in our apple nachos. The ingredients that we're going to do, we've given you the ingredient list. If you want to do it with us, that would be great. Gather up the ingredients and we'll do it together. The first thing we're going to use is graham crackers. That's going to be the base for our nachos. The spread that you can use is peanut butter, or we like to use spreadable cream cheese. This one is pineapple flavor. Grant's allergic to peanuts, so a lot of times we don't use that, so everyone can have the same thing. But you can also use Nutella or spreadable chocolate even for a decadent treat. We're also going to use some honey, and I also like to use grated cinnamon to give it a little extra taste at the end. So the first thing that we're going to do is Grant is going to peel, core, and slice our apple with the apple peeler core slicer. So let me help you get that on there. And I'll hold the bottom for you. And he's just going to turn it, and it peels it, and then cores it and slices it all at the same time. And you sort of get an apple juice shower sometimes that sprays on you. And then you hold the apple, and let's put this off to the side, and show them what happens to the apple when you're done.
It gets sliced.
We'll show them the accordion. It's like, almost like an accordion apple, which is fun. This is also great if you dry apples or make apple rings. It's the perfect thing. And then when you're done, we have the peel of the apple. And if Grant doesn't eat it first, usually our chickens get to have that as a snack. So the next thing we're going to do is, Grant, if you want to spread some of our cream cheese on the graham cracker. And when we take our apple, the best thing to do is if you make one slice down one side, you're going to end up with apple rings. I go ahead and make a slice on the opposite side, and then we have apple halves. Like this is what we end up having. So then all we're going to do is we are going to take the apple halves and we're going to lay them on top. I usually put about 3. And then, okay, if you want to put apples on that,
Okay.
I'm going to just take them over there. I'm going to take our honey, and I like to just drizzle a little bit of honey on the top, just like that. And then I have a grinder, a cinnamon grinder, and so I just like to make it look a little pretty and grind some cinnamon on top. Grant's got one more done for us, so I'll show you again. Drizzle a little bit of honey. You could also do caramel if you wanted to, or chocolate. There's lots of different things that you could drizzle on top, depending on how sweet you want it. So when we're done, we have these really pretty apple nachos, and you've got some fruit in there. You have a little crunch, a little bit of sweet. You have your honey with a little bit of cinnamon, and it's a wonderful fall treat that the kids can make. And that's what I love about cooking, is bringing the kids in the kitchen. So we love to use tools that the kids can use themselves, and we love that they can be a part of everything that we're cooking. These snacks the kids make by themselves at home now because it's super simple and easy to do. Everything's really great to just grab and put together. So we hope that you enjoy our apple nachos and try some different apples and experiment. And we also do strawberries with them in the springtime. We'll do strawberries. What else have we done on there? Remember? So Grant is going to go ahead and be a taste tester for us and see how good they are. Are they good? Yummy? All right. Well, thanks for being with us and enjoying apple nachos.